Welcome to Potion Tech HD, and in this video you will see that how man fully restores old abandoned house. He is clearing the roof, you can see here, and now they are getting together the bricks one by one. Here he is making sink. He is building the side pillars and covering the sides of the bricks. He covered all the bricks with the cement, and now he is clearing the sides of the bricks. Beautiful cat is jumping on it. Finally, you can see here he had made the house, and with the beauty he restores the old abandoned house, and now he is wearing in the house, you can see here.